My name is Dosumu. I'm here to enlighten you more on what we know as exponential equations. From our knowledge in indices, we will try to recall some of the rules that we learned, such as the multiplication rule, division rule, negative rule, zero rule, and fraction rule. So we're using some of those rules here. As I said, that rule is very important in mathematics. So to solve any exponential equation, you need to first identify your unknown. Our unknown here is x, and to get this x, we need to represent it with another letter. How do we do that? We will have to rewrite this to be 5 raised to power 2, 5 raised to power x. We introduce a bracket, minus 26 times 5 raised to power x plus 25 equals to 0. Then we need to represent this 5 raised to power x with another letter just to get our x at the long run. You will soon know why. That is, let 5 raised to power x equals to any letter of your choice, but I will pick what? K. So anywhere I see 5 raised to power x, I will just write k. That is k squared minus 26k plus 25 equals to 0. This dot means times again. That this has turned to quadratic equation. And in any quadratic equation, the coefficient of square is very important, and the constant, they are both important. This will give birth to the coefficient of the ordinary what? Unknown, which doesn't have what? Square. That is, we multiply this and this together. What do we get? We have 25k squared plus 25. So we need to get two numbers such that when we add them together, we will get minus 26. When we multiply them together, we will get plus 25k. So what are those two numbers? Those are minus 25k minus 1k. Minus 25 minus 1 will give us minus 26k. Then minus 25k times minus 1k will give us plus 25k squared. So we can use this now. So anywhere we see 26, we write these two. That's k squared minus 25k minus 1k plus 25 equals to 0. So now we pair. That is k to bracket k minus 25 minus 1 open bracket k minus 25. Anything you do in the first bracket, you do it in the second bracket. Minus times minus will eventually give us plus. So now this and this will be in one bracket. Then since these are the same, we just pick one. That is k minus 1 and k minus 25 equals to 0. That is, k minus 1 equals to 0. Our k will be equals to 1. K minus 25 equals to 0. Our k will be equals to 25. So here now we recall that our 5 raised to power x equals to what? K. So when k equals to 1, and the 5 raised to power x equals to 1, that is, from our zero law, we learned that anything raised to power 0 is 1. So I can replace this with 5 raised to power x equals to 5 raised to power 0. From here now, I can what? Equate. That is, my 5 will cancel each other. So my x will be equals to 0. Then when k equals to 25, I have my 5 raised to power x equals to 25. So 5 raised to power x equals to 5 raised to power 2. Then I can what? Equate. And x will be equals to 2. Therefore, x equals to 0 or x equals to what? 2. Thank you.